This canal in Utrecht in the Netherlands is exactly 10 years old today. Although a canal had existed here for centuries, it was replaced by a road for around 40 years, a decision many in the city regretted almost immediately. That is why people were pleased to celebrate the official opening of the restored canal on the evening of 18 December 2015, when the alderman for traffic invited two young girls to press a button that started a fountain, marking a new beginning. Before long, the canal once again became a much loved part of the city. People thoroughly enjoy the park beside it, and it is hard to imagine that only a few years earlier this entire space was dominated by roaring traffic. The park is even an improvement on what existed before the road. In the 1960s, this corner by the canal had been a marketplace. As part of efforts to modernize the city, the council made plans in the 1950s and 60s to remove the canal and replace it with a road. Work began in 1968. The canal was pumped dry, the bed leveled, and thousands of piles were driven into the ground to support the concrete structure of the road. Opened in 1973, the road remained in use for just under 40 years. When the area around Utrecht Central Station was completely redesigned, the city seized the opportunity to reverse this situation. These concrete viaducts were demolished, and all the concrete was removed, including every single pile. By late 2015, a new canal bed had been completed, and mature trees were planted in November. The final digging attracted many onlookers. With each scoop of soil, more groundwater appeared. 2 days before the opening celebrations, the water reached its final level, and the new bare waterfronts soon turned green. The space has since hosted major events, including the presentation of the cycling teams when the Vuelta a España started in Utrecht. Exactly 10 years after its reopening, the park is bare once more. New groundworks are on the way. The park is being upgraded and will finally receive its definitive design. Utrecht has no regrets about removing this road and bringing back the canal. Valuable city centre space should not be wasted on moving traffic.